This section explores how AI crafts human-like text and images. At its core, AI's capabilities are built on machine learning, where systems learn from vast amounts of data without explicit programming. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to identify complex patterns in data. For images, convolutional neural networks, known as CNNs, are key to analyzing and recognizing visual elements. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs, pit two neural networks against each other. A generator creates images, while a discriminator judges their authenticity. For text, large language models like GPT-4 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet are trained on massive text datasets to generate coherent and meaningful text. Transformers, a type of neural network architecture, use self-attention mechanisms to process sequential data like text. Self-attention allows the model to weigh the importance of different words in relation to each other, capturing complex relationships in language. Diffusion models start with random noise and gradually refine it to match a text prompt. The model first adds noise to images in a forward process. Then it learns to reverse this process, starting with pure noise and progressively removing it until a clear image emerges. Natural language processing enables AI to understand and interpret human language. The first step is tokenization, which breaks text into tokens. These tokens are converted into embeddings, which are vector representations that preserve meaning. Words with similar meanings appear close to each other in this vector space. The beauty of embeddings is that they capture semantic relationships. For example, the relationship between king and man is similar to the relationship between queen and woman. To summarize, AI's creative process involves complex systems that learn from vast amounts of data. For images, CNNs recognize patterns while GANs generate new visuals. Text generation relies on large language models, transformers, and diffusion models, while natural language processing enables the understanding of human language through tokenization and embeddings. Let's explore current trends and the future of AI content creation. The AI market is experiencing explosive growth. Current estimates value the market at around $150 billion, but projections show it reaching $1.81 trillion by 2030. The AI image generation market specifically is also expanding rapidly, with expectations to reach $60.8 billion by 2030. Several major companies are leading innovation in AI content creation. Adobe's Firefly reached an impressive milestone of 1 billion images created within just 3 months of its launch. Google has developed Imagen 3 and Veo, advancing photorealistic image and video generation. OpenAI's Sora represents a breakthrough in generating videos directly from text prompts. Stability AI introduced Stable Diffusion 3 with a new multimodal diffusion transformer architecture, significantly improving text handling within images. Apple entered the space with MGIE, an AI-powered photo editing tool. Recent technological advancements have pushed the boundaries of what's possible with AI content generation. Stable Diffusion 3 introduces a multimodal diffusion transformer architecture, which significantly improves text handling and text generation within images. Google's Imagen 3 and Veo are advancing photorealistic image and video generation, making AI-created content increasingly indistinguishable from human-created work. OpenAI's Sora represents a major step forward in video generation, creating physically plausible videos directly from text prompts. The field of AI is evolving rapidly, with several key trends shaping its development. We're seeing increasing focus on multimodal AI that seamlessly combines text, images, and code in unified models. Natural language understanding continues to improve, with models better grasping context and nuanced language. Real-time collaboration between humans and AI is enabling iterative content creation with immediate feedback. Personalization is becoming more sophisticated, with content tailored to individual preferences and needs. Ethical AI development is increasingly prioritized, focusing on addressing bias, ensuring fairness, and maintaining transparency. AI content creation is being applied across diverse industries. Wayfair has developed Decorify, an AI-powered tool that helps users visualize room designs with different furniture arrangements. Coca-Cola used AI to help design their Y3000 drink, which represents their vision of the future. Salesforce's Einstein GPT integrates generative AI directly into their CRM platform, automating content creation for sales and customer service. Looking ahead, several key developments will shape the future of AI content creation. We can expect enhanced support for augmented and virtual reality content, expanding AI's creative capabilities into immersive environments. Multilingual capabilities will continue to improve, breaking down language barriers in content creation. Domain-specific AI models will become more prevalent, offering specialized capabilities for different industries and use cases. Throughout these advancements, there will be an increasing focus on safety and ethical considerations to ensure responsible AI development.